So today I'm going to show you how to activate your OnePay debit card that you have received in the mail. Now we're actually up here in the app in real time, so you could follow along. We're currently on the home tab of our account. You can actually see up here towards the top, it says your debit card should have arrived. Now, in case you do not see this option up here at the very top, because you can click on details, all we got to do is hop over here towards the very bottom where it says wallet. It's the very next option over to the right of the home option. And that's going to take you to your wallet page. And of course, at the very top here, you're going to see your OnePay debit card. Now, this is the digital version, but if you click on this, and this is going to take you over here to your card details page. So if you didn't see the debit card should have arrived here at the very top of the first page, this is where you should definitely see it. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click on the word details. And from here, it's going to show you when it should have arrived. And then you can click over here where it says activate your card. Now here on the card information, we just need to put in the last 4 digits that we have physically on the card, as well as the expiration date for the month and the year with just 2 digits each. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and click on the continue button once it's highlighted. And then from here, if you haven't already, it's going to ask you to go ahead and set a 4-digit PIN. You can go ahead and click on the X button at the very top right if you already have a PIN. And that is how you activate your OnePay debit card. Now we have more to show you when it comes to using your OnePay account. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.